Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can make the Warden appear quickly. What we're going to have to do in this case is something quite simple. First of all, we're going to need a command block, so we're going to paste this command here, give up a command block, and in this way, it will give us what would be a command block. Now what we're going to have to do is place these command blocks like this, and I'll show you what we have to do next. First of all, I'm going to remove these wardens from here because I placed them for another video. So I'm going to switch to peaceful mode so they go away, exactly, and now we switch it back to normal mode. What we're going to have to do in this case is select the command block, and we're going to type summon warden, and we're going to press plus. And in all the other blocks, we're going to type summon warded, and we're going to press it again. We're only going to do it on 3, because honestly, it's a bit heavy to do this. Summon one warden, and we press plus again. And we're going to place one last summon one warden, and that would be all. In this case, so that they spawn quickly, what we're going to have to do is place a pressure plate, obviously. This is with the idea of messing with a friend that we have inside the server. So we're simply going to place these pressure plates here. And let's say we make that person walk through here, then very quickly, without them realizing it, a lot of wardens are going to start spawning. So we just walk through here, and the amount of wardens that spawn will depend on how many times you pass. And well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on GlitchSip.